This video is going to show you how to install the needle clamp on a Singer model 301 and also 301A. They're the same machine. Couple key points to start off on, maybe a little tricky to see. On the back of the needle bar is a little cup. There's a groove with a cup towards the bottom. That's going to be important for the thread guide, which is on the needle clamp, which is this part here. So you can see what it looks like, and it's got this round area, part of which sits into the needle clamp body and the other into the needle bar. You also have the clamp body, and if you look, it's got a little beveled edge here, which is compensate for the thread coming over. This is going to be on the front facing you. The back side is flat, so you want to make sure you put that in the right direction. And then we also have this little flat screw that has a point on the back of it for holding the needle clamp body onto the needle bar. And then finally our clamping screw, which tightens down the needle. So first we take our body, and like I said, with this beveled edge towards us, we look from the bottom, and there's inside is a little cup that this fits into. So when you're looking at the bottom of your needle clamp, this is how it looks. So you have your thread guide, which is going to be facing out towards the front. Now this is the tricky part. You have a little stem sitting at the top, which makes it a little easier going on. But you want to hold the assembly together. We slide the clamp body up, making sure the thread guide is into the body, and then slide it all the way up as far as it goes. Take our flat screw, which has the little point on it, and that point fits into a groove on the needle bar. So you want to make sure that that's in place. Sometimes you may have to jiggle a little bit. And then just twist it, clamp it down. And then we put our needle clamp and screw on. And then we take our needle, and the needle has a groove on one side, and get into focus range here, which you can feel with your nail. And on the back side, the top part area is flat. Now the flat part, the groove of the needle will face inwards towards the throat. The flat part faces out to the left. And you just slide it up into place. Clamp your screw down. And you're good to go. And that's all there is to it.